We're battling with a bit of background noise now because it's almost going home time, Jo, and you're probably desperate to go.
Yes.
But you haven't got a long journey because you're quite local to Exeter, aren't you?
Yeah, we're about an hour and a quarter away.
Okay.
Just going down into Cornwall, towards Cornwall.
And you have a quilt shop and some cottages, I
Yes,
gather.
we have self-catering cottages, which we rent out holidays.
Right.
But we're also running quilt retreats, so people can come and stay for a weekend and sew to their heart's content.
And come and shop.
And shop.
How perfect is that?
And there's not many quilt retreats with a shop. So.
There certainly aren't. Do they get a private key to let them in there after hours?
Well, they can sew till 10, and we're open again at 8.
That's long enough. That's long enough.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I hope you've had a good show. But tell me about this lovely power bed runner and cushion that you've got.
Well, this was a fabric that has got 4 different patterns on one width of fabric. So we decided we'd make this runner to showcase the fabrics. And then my daughter came up with the big flower power.
That's brilliant.
Just to bring it out.
Brilliant.
And then we made a cushion to match so that it can be, because they're quite fashionable to have a bed runner over the end of the bed.
And so this is a kit or a pattern?
Yes, we can cut the kit. The pattern's available, but we can also cut a kit as well.
Fantastic,
So,
fantastic. And we've got a Help for Heroes charity quilt here.
Yes. Well, this I've made for a soldier, and when we were coming to the show, I decided that if we bought the quilt, we could perhaps sell the pattern and raise money for helping the heroes. So we donate, for every pattern sold, we donate £1 to the charity. So, but this will be going off after the show to a soldier. Yeah.
Well, I'm sure he'll love it.
Excellent.
Thank you for sparing time for us.
No problem.
With all this noise going on, you must be desperate to get your van and go home. So I'll let you go. Thank you again.
Thank you very much.